Greetings all. Right, can I let you in on a little secret? I absolutely cannot draw from memory, and I bet most people can't. To prove my point, I'm going to attempt to draw a parrot from memory. I honestly thought I knew what a parrot looked like, but judging by the state of this sketch, I am really not certain anymore. On the plus side, at least it looks like a bird. So with this quick failure of a sketch done, let's try one with a reference. First thing I do is quickly search on Pixabay for a royalty-free picture of a parrot. This is to avoid any legal problems. You know how YouTube can be. I'm looking for something that features the whole body. This one will do. Thump that like button if you love using references. Now on to the quick initial sketch. This is just to get a rough idea of where everything's going to lie. All the body parts, wings, the beak, the main body. I'm going to try and be as fast and as loose as possible with this part. Next is to slightly neaten up the sketch, just giving it a quick tidy up before adding the main line art. This line art side isn't really too exciting, we're just basically going over the lines that I did actually like on the original sketch. I do however use the reference to choose the colour of the lines. These will tend to be a bit darker than the base colours. Now it's just a matter of adding the colours and the highlights to make this Polly, the parrot, pop a bit. And here's the two drawings side by side. The reference one felt so much more fun to draw. And now it's time for the
question for the comments.
So here's what I want to ask. What's your favourite thing to draw? I would really love to find out what gets people really going and their creative juice flowing. So leave a message in the comments. So until the next video, keep your pencil sharp and your eraser dirty.